Hey guys, so today I would like to share some of the sanding tool opinion on particular this one that I'm using for these 3D printed parts in PLA as a part of the Anubis mask from Print Mania. You can find them on Patreon. And while you can sand it with a sandpaper, either just sandpaper or you can use one of these attachments or whatever, it will take very long time to do it, you know, and yeah, you can definitely go for it, but I'd love to use this tool. It's Microlux tools, MicroMark, and made in Japan. It's a very good tool. It comes with multiple attachments, different, like round here, square, triangle, and others. And you can purchase different grids, all the way from, I believe, 180 to the finest. And it's really a time saver, and the amount of work it takes is minimal compared to sanding with your hands, going back and forth forever. You can see it goes side to side, so, and you can easily sand it like so. You can go to different parts like so. And this part, I'm happy the way it is. I know there's some lines over here, but I like them. I like that it's not just flat. And while, for instance, there would be marks from the layers, like over here, even though I set it in a bamboo slicer for the variable layer height, it still shows some layers, okay? I don't like this, okay? But I love these patterns over here, and I want to keep them, I want to preserve them. So if I did it with just you know, this sandpaper, it would take me probably hours. And I did it the way I like it on this one. Oh, sorry, this one, and it took me about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's a real lifesaver. I really like having this tool. It's awesome. It's not cheap. I believe I paid about 70 bucks maybe or so, and it's not battery powered. It's you know, corded. So you don't have to worry about batteries or, you know, weakening power over time or whatever. So it's really good tool, and it can run like crazy and very long time. I already have this tool for years, maybe like 2 years now, and it's awesome tool. I wouldn't trade this one for anything. I also have the other ones. I have these Aeromax over here, which is great for fine stuff, like when I need to get into really tight spaces on a resin, for instance. This is awesome tool as well. But for PLA, and even if you have bases like this one for Anubis, you can go, and as you can see, you can sand the resin as well. Although I would use definitely mask and one of these things to trap all the resin dust, so I don't have to breathe it in and deal with it, but that's for another day. So yeah, this is, like I said, it's just a short video to show you what I like to use, and this is just awesome tool that I highly recommend. I'm gonna put the link on the bottom below this video. I believe YouTube doesn't allow me to put affiliate link because I don't have more than 1,000 subscribers yet, but yeah, you can definitely copy and paste it and find it. So, all right, well, thanks for watching.